Welcome to Remedial 1 YouTube channel. This is where we help students to prepare for their WASSCE exams. In this video, I'm going to solve WASSCE 2022 Core Mathematics, question number 11. Now, after the solution, I will show you how this question was marked. I will give you the marks allocation. So, make sure you go through the video. Let's start. Question number 11a. Given that cos x plus 15 degrees is equal to sine x minus 30 degrees, where the value of x is an acute angle, which means it's greater or equal to 0 degrees or less or equal to 90 degrees. We have to find the value of x. The second one is a diagram. Yes, in the diagram, ABCF is a straight line. Line BD is parallel to line CE. So, and then angle ABD is equal to 2x plus 34 degrees. If angle BCD is 1/3 of angle BDC and angle FCE is equal to 48 degrees, we have to find the value of x. So let's start. The first one, that's the A part, cos 2x plus 15 is equal to sine x minus 30. There are two ways of solving this question, and I will show you all the methods. So, for complementary angles, if sine theta is equal to cos beta, then it implies that theta plus beta is equal to 90 degrees. That is one. Or you can change one so that the equation will have the same ratio. Or you say sine theta will be equal to, you can change this one to sine 90 minus beta. Yes, you can change both to a sine, or you can change sine to cos so that they will have cos. Okay, so let's start with the first method. So if you want to use the first method, then it implies that the sum of these two angles will be equal to 90 degrees. So 2x plus 15 plus x minus 30 should be equal to 90. So we group the like terms. 2x plus x plus 15 minus 30 is equal to 90. 2x plus x is 3x, and minus 15 is equal to 90. So we have 3x is equal to 90 plus 15. 3x is equal to 105. Divide both sides by 3. 3 will go into 105, 35. So therefore, our x is equal to 35 degrees. That is the first method. Let's look at the second method. Method 2. For the same question, we have cos 2x plus 15 is equal to sine x minus 30. So, as I said, you can change this one to sine so that they will have the same ratio, or you can change this one to cos. So, let's change the right hand side to cos. So, this implies that cos of 2x plus 15 is equal to cos 90 minus x minus 30. So, simplifying, we have cos 2x plus 15 will be equal to, when you open the bracket, the minus will affect the 30. So 90 plus 30 will have 120 minus x. So we have cos. And if the ratios are the same, you can equate the angles. So this implies that 2x plus 15 is equal to 120 minus x. So 2x, let's group the like term plus x will be 120 minus 15. So 2x plus x is 3x, which is equal to 105 degrees. Divide both sides by 3. 3 will go into 105, 35. So therefore, our x is 35 degrees. So whichever way you do it, you still get the same answer. Let's look at the second part. The second part, we have the diagram. First, we are supposed to find the value of x. So we know this angle. This line is parallel to C. Now, if they are parallel, then this angle will be equal to that angle, which is alternate angles, I. So since line BD is parallel to line CE, we can say that angle BDC is equal to 48 degrees. And what is the reason? That is, they are alternate angles. So which means that, so let's go back to the diagram. So if here is 48, this is a straight line. So if we add these two angles, we are supposed to get 180. So this implies that 2x plus 34 plus 48 should be equal to 180. And the reason being adjacent angles. Adjacent angles sum up to 180. This is alternate. That's alternate. So solving, we have 2x plus 34 plus 48 is 82 is equal to 180. So 2x will be equal to 180 minus 82. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 82 is 98. We want to find x. So 2 will cancel 2. 2 will go into 98, 49. So therefore, x is 49 degrees. Let's check the second part. Now, from the question, angle BCD is 1/3 of angle BDC. So we can say that let angle BDC be M. So this implies that angle BCD will be 1/3 M. So let's go back to the diagram. So we know this angle, if this is M, this is 1/3 of M. And BDC is a triangle. BDC is a triangle, which means that the sum of its angles will be equal to 180. So M plus 1/3 M plus 48 is equal to 180. So which means that when you multiply through by the LCM, you have 3M plus 144. That's 3 times 48 is equal to 540. So we have 4M is equal to 540 minus 144. So 4M is equal to 396. When you divide both sides by 4, 4 will go into 396, 99. So we are saying that M is equal to 99 degrees. And we said that angle BDC BM. So therefore angle BDC is 99 degrees. Okay, having gone through all the solution, I'm going to show you how it was marked. So the first one, we are using the first method. Now being able to set up this equation, you get method mark of 1 and then correct equation. So M1, A1. And then when you start solving, give you another M1 for solving. the answer, which is x is equal to 35 degrees, is A1. So for this question, the total marks is 4. Yes. So let's see how we are going to do the other solution. So being able to set up this way, you get method mark of M1, A1. And then you get M1 for solving. When you say for solving, that's trying to make x a subject. And then final answer, x is equal to 35 degrees. You get another A1. So that is the same 4 marks for this particular part. Let's go to B. The B part. The first one is, that's I. Being able to set up the equation, you are going to get M1. Then, as solving for x, get another M1. And the final answer, which is 49 degrees, is also A1. The second part. So for the second part, being able to set up this equation is M1, A1. And then for solving M, you get M1. Then simplifying, in the process of solving, simplifying, you get M1, and then this one to A1. So this particular question, so the total marks for this, 1, 2, 3, yes, 8. 8 for the B, and then 4 for A. So total, you are going to get 12 marks for this question. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. It's important as a student to know how your papers are marked. So that's why I've taken this opportunity, after going through the solution, show you how the marks are distributed. If you like this video and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also share, give your comment, and also turn on your notification button